Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best camera features iOS 18 are introducing in iPhone. How to do it, what is new, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. Simply first of all, I will show you. We can go back here and simply enter the general, and you need to update iOS 18 here, beta version or original version also they're introducing. Go back again here and we can just simply open here. This is a camera. If I start the recording, so look at this, what is the new you are visible here. It's new to record as a pause video, like a pause. Now I can pause this video again, I can resume this video from the same times lapse also, like press, and now is the recording start. If I record like this, again pause, again go back here, and if I again resume and start the recording again, play and stop. So this is my one-off frame, automatically connect each other. I play here. So look at this, what is the new you are visible here. It's new to record as a pause, press, and now is the recording. So look at this, if I record like this, pause here, again starting position here, start the recording. So again, such kind of features Android are already introducing, but iPhone are introducing visible feature in iOS 18, and that feature is really exciting for my point of view. This feature is not available on cinematic mode. If you use cinematic mode, this feature just available on especially on video, so you can pause the video, resume the video, especially in traveling related content. If you are create a reel, so no need to merge 2-3 reels together and create the video. So continuously you can record the video and then pause the video, no matter which types of camera you are using, landscape or horizontal or landscape. So pause features they are introducing here. That is the beauty of iOS 18. This is one of the best features iOS 18 are introducing in almost in after XR model till now. All model this updated is available, so you can update this feature and enjoy the camera setting. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.